how to hide Instagram app. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to hide Instagram app. So in order to hide your Instagram app, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you want to hide it, all you have to do is just open up your settings, and while you're on the settings here, you need to go ahead and select privacy, and over here you'll be able to find an option as app manager, or you can just go to your app and notification, and here you can find the option as app manager. So from there you have to click on it, and once you click on it, that's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and select hide app. After that, it's going to ask you to set a pin, and you can just go ahead and set a pin. Make sure that you remember your pin, otherwise you won't be able to recover it. And after you've done that, you'll be taken to the other field where you'll be asked to select the app that you wish to set a lock as, and make sure not to select any of it since you're hiding the application. Then you'll be proceeded on to the next step, or the further step, where you have to select the app that you wish to hide. Just go ahead and tap on the hide button, and then you've successfully hid your Instagram app. And likewise, in order to unhide it, you have to come back to the same page, that is app manager, and from there you need to go to the hidden app, and then you can just go ahead and tap on the unhide button. Then you've successfully unhide or hid your Instagram app. So that's basically how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.